Hello everyone, it's time for another overnighter. Today I'm in Hayfield in Derbyshire, in the Peak District. I parked the car down in Hayfield, outside the Scotsman's pub. I'm going to head up past Kinder Reservoir, up to Kinder Scout and find somewhere to pitch my bivvy for the night. Now reach Kinder Reservoir. There's Kinder Scout in the background. Kinder Downfall right in the centre of the screen now. And I'm heading along this path towards William Clough. Now reach William Clough. I believe it's named after 5 ramblers that were imprisoned back in the 1930s due to the mass trespass. But because of that, now we are able to have the right to roam these lands. Still not at the top yet. It's quite hard work this. It's a good job I'm an athlete though. Well, it seems like the higher you get, the better the view gets. I'm almost at the top now. I hope I get there before that cloud covers the view of the reservoir though. Walking along the top now. I'm now at Sandy Hayes. The view of the reservoir is brilliant from up here. Down there we have Mermaid's Pool. And the River Kinder going down the valley there to the reservoir. That looks a nice flat spot in the centre there. I'm going to think about pitching my bivvy up there if I can get down without breaking my neck. Those initials there, I think they stand for George King. He leads some society that believes that when the end of the world comes around, that's the bus stop for the UFO to come and pick you up and rescue you. Hopefully there's no alien abductions tonight, but if I don't see you in the morning, you know where I've gone. Almost made it to the flat spot, which is in the centre of the screen now. Just need to be careful I don't break any ankles going over this lot. Found this nice flat spot. However, from here I can't see the reservoir. When I wake up in the morning, I want the best seat in the house. It looks like this is the spot. Nice little bit of flat ground there. Bit of protection from the wind from this large rock on the left. If there's any mermaids come out of Mermaid's Pool tonight, I'll be able to spot them. Got myself a sofa, and in the morning I'm going to have a fabulous view. Trying a new bag tonight. Well, it's not new, I've had it 3 months, but it's the first time I've actually tried it because it's been a bit too warm really. It's the Alpkit Skyhigh 700. It's a down bag. I got the right hand zip, so it fits this bivy really well. So we'll see how it goes. Compressor's really small and weighs about 1 kilo, I think it is. I'll leave a link to the bag in the description. Cheers everyone. Can't believe how peaceful it is. There's Mermaid's Pool again. View's stunning. Red sky at night. I've camped before at Bamford Edge, which overlooks the Lady Bower and Derwent reservoirs. The view there is stunning. I think it just shades it over this view. However, this is pretty spectacular. I don't know if you can see that, but the clouds are just starting to drop now. So hopefully in the morning we'll get one of those cloud inversions again that we had over the Edale Valley. Ordered takeaway tonight, chicken tikka masala. Time to get that in the pot. Chicken tikka masala simmering away. Got myself a nice beer. Well, at least I hope it's nice. Unfortunately, I've only got the one though. It's now 6 o'clock. Takeaway still hasn't turned up, so I'm still waiting for my curry. The sun's starting to go down a little bit now, as you can see in the background. That's where I climbed earlier. That's where the UFOs are going to come and pick me up later. Curry's finally ready. I'm now going to tuck in, have my supper and a cold beer. Worth waiting for. And now for a beer. Cheers everyone. That's really tasty, that is. Crafty Dan, 13 Guns, Morrison's. The lights are coming on now over in, I think that's Chapel on the Frith, across behind Kinder there. I've put the kettle on again. I'm going to have another brew and then I'm going to listen to the radio and watch it get dark. It's starting to get dark now. All the lights are on in the town below. I've made my coffee. I'm sitting under the tarp to get out of the breeze. It's getting a little bit chilly. I'm going to put the radio on and relax a little bit. Well, it's only 7:15 at night and it's pitch black now. I've just put a little lantern on just so you can see me basically. I'll just show you what I can see. That's it now. Just the lights in the distance. Nothing at all on Kinder. It's dark sky tonight, so there's plenty of clouds about. Can't even see the moon. So I'm going to call it a night and I shall see you in the morning. Morning everybody. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up. Well, I've just been woken up by the sound of the scariest bird you ever heard. I'll now show you the view from my bivvy. There's the mist coming over from Kinder Downfall. And then we have the reservoir. I'm going to get up and have a coffee. It's quite misty up on Sandy Haze and all across the top of Kinder. You can see the mist rolling over the valley now. But it's not like it was in Edale. The sleeping bag was really warm last night. It was quite windy though, so the tarp was flapping, so that woke me up a couple of times. There's a little bit of condensation inside the bivvy, as you can imagine, because it was cold. Well, that's breakfast done. Really simple today. Just a coffee and a couple of cereal bars. I'm going to pack up my kit now, and I'm going to head down there to Mermaid's Pool. Check that out, and then head down through that bit of woodland there, along the River Kinder, and then up that path to the left side of the reservoir and back to Hayfield. That's everything packed away now. I'm going to head down there to Mermaid's Pool and then down to the woods, and we'll see what we can find. Here we have Mermaid's Pool. I haven't got a clue how deep it is, but you won't catch me skinny dipping in there. We've now entered the little woodland that runs alongside the River Kinder. Looks like somebody's camped here already. Here we have the River Kinder. Really is a lovely forest. So that's where home was last night, right in the centre of the screen now. I've walked down that hill, through the woodland, following along the River Kinder. I've got Kinder Reservoir back in view now, and what a fabulous morning it is. Look at the sunshine going right across the valley, all the way back up to Kinder. Stunning. More stepping stones. Got a bit of a traffic jam now. Not sure who has to give way. This one seems to be standing her ground a little bit. I'm not going to argue with her. Some baby ones now. Alright little fella. I'm going home. I've walked all the way around the back of the reservoir, which is there. And now I'm going to head down there, which should take me back to the car in Hayfield. Back on Kinder Road now, so that's almost it for this video. But before I go, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel and liked my videos. I broke the 100 subscriber mark this week, which I'm really pleased with. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click the button below. There'll be some more videos coming up very shortly including my trip to the Lake District at the end of the month. One other thing, I'd just like to say shout out to Mr. Jones, who I've just bumped into on my way down from Kinder. He's one of my followers and recognised me, so not quite famous yet, but it's nice to see someone that actually watches my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.